This week's design frontier is anything but ordinary. Imagine astronauts in high-end sunglasses or cockroaches turned into rescue bots. Buckle up as we dive into the wild, the weird, and the wildly innovative. But here's where it gets controversial. Should we really be turning insects into tools for disaster zones? Let's explore. Starting with wearable storage. Simone Giertz's patch cap isn't just a hat. It's a head-mounted vault for your essentials. Think of it as a futuristic accessory that keeps your earbuds, pens, or snacks within arm's or head's reach. Meanwhile, Blackdot's robotic tattoo machine claims to outperform human artists, blending precision with speed. But does a machine lose the soul of the art? Space enthusiasts, take note. NASA's latest moon mission will feature astronauts rocking gold-plated Oakley sunglasses. Yes, you read that right. These aren't just for style, they're engineered to protect against lunar glare. And for hikers, Wilhelm Berbig's Hideaway shovel is a game-changer. Designed to minimize environmental impact, it's a testament to how thoughtful design can help us leave no trace. Speaking of groundbreaking tech, the Swincar, a spider-like vehicle by a French architect, is now rolling off production lines. Its 8 legs and rugged design could redefine off-road travel. But what about the conch shell-inspired sleep apnea solution? Researchers are swapping bulky CPAP machines for a nature-inspired alternative. Could seashells hold the key to better sleep? Design nostalgia alert. A 1970s sofa concept, Pierre Paulin's Dune Ensemble, has made a comeback and is now a celebrity favorite. And for those who love 80s aesthetics, a retro sunset graphic now powers a lamp. Talk about lighting up memories. In Texas, 3D printed homes by Icon are inching toward affordability, sparking debates. Will this disrupt the housing crisis or just create new challenges? For a twist on comfort, the Blisstil Serenade is a pillow that cancels noise, perfect for light sleepers. Meanwhile, Concept Car Studios' forged automotive rims marry vintage futurism with modern engineering. But here's the part most people miss. Singapore's cyborg cockroach project. Scientists are using genetically modified roaches as low-cost rescue robots. Ethical questions abound. Should we weaponize nature? Celebrate design milestones. Floss updated Philippe Starck's Jour Unplugged lamp for its 10th anniversary. And who knew color could trick your taste buds? A pop-up in London is serving jet black ice cream to explore how visuals affect flavor perception. Tangibles like Craighill's keyring and the JENZ Hackthor, a biomass truck with a lifting cab, showcase how even mundane objects get a design overhaul. Meanwhile, architect Monish Sirapurapu's cool ant system draws inspiration from anthills to passively cool spaces. Nature strikes again. Final thought. This week's roundup is a reminder that design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about solving problems, challenging norms, and occasionally making us question our ethics. What's your take? Do you think turning cockroaches into rescue bots is a brilliant hack or a slippery slope? Drop your thoughts in the comments. After all, innovation without debate is just noise.